Did you know that you can make $50,000 on YouTube without making your own videos? You don't need to record your videos, or you don't need to do any editing of videos. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So our first step is to get our YouTube video. So don't worry, we are not going to make any videos, we are not going to record any videos, and we are just going to use one platform to create this video so you can start making commissions. And there has never been a better opportunity to get traffic organically through YouTube. This website I'm going to show you today is free to sign up. There are some paid features, but you don't need to pay for anything, and once that you create your free account, I will show you exactly what you have to do. So let's go into the computer and let me share every single step so you don't miss out on this opportunity and you can start getting the same results that other people are getting. So the first website which I would like you to come to is called wave.video, okay, and this is how we're gonna be creating our YouTube videos, where it's gonna give you the opportunity to be able to earn up thousands of dollars per month. So you come to this website, you could see the software is very easy to follow. You don't have to have great experience, and then you can have a look and see if this is something that it could benefit you. But I highly recommend it, because if you haven't got any tech experience, there is actually a great place for you to create your content. So you can come check it out. You can see that more than 1 million marketers are actually using it, and then let me show you how you can actually make money with today's strategy. So you can see there are different tools, so you could actually use this video for different purposes, but we're going to focus just on YouTube today, okay? So you will go into templates and then you'll create on YouTube, okay? So I'm gonna go into templates and then we'll create on YouTube video. And then there are different niches that you could actually choose from, but what we're going to do is just gonna click in a normal template. So but first of all, we wanna make sure that we're using the right type of format. So we wanna click on horizontal format, and then for example, let's go into this one, and then it's gonna give you the option to be able to edit the content, okay? So you'll click on edit template, and then you can just customize it as you like. You can as well start from the scratch, but this is just for demonstrating purposes, so I can show you exactly the strategy on how you can do it and you can start making money online. So obviously all of this you won't use, so you can just delete all of this. And then once that we have deleted, we can start creating our video, okay? So the niches that we want to focus on is fitness and as well romance and relationships, okay? So you'll click on here and then you could go into a stock library. If we click on sport and fitness, you could start by selecting your videos, and then you'll be adding the videos, and then once that you add the video will show up here, and then it's gonna allow you to give to actually put any content that you're gonna put. So you can put, are you looking to lose weight, for example, are you looking to lose weight in 2022? And then you'll be doing a sequence. Make sure that you try to make the video at least 10 minutes long, okay? Because this way is gonna benefit your channel, because once that your channel is approved for monetization, then you can get paid as well, okay? So you're gonna be getting paid in few different ways for your YouTube videos that you create. So as I say, this is just for example purposes. You could just go and do your own research to make sure that you select the best quality videos, but then you can click on add, and then the most important thing, imagine that I have added enough videos to just cover my 10 minutes long. What you will do is, you could say something like, click on the link in the description for more information, okay? So you could do something like that, and then you could add your link there, but this is, as I said, just for demonstration purposes. You can make it much nicer. You can as well, make it, you can make it smaller, so it doesn't actually disrupt with the actual video. But then, you don't have to just concentrate on fitness, because if everybody does fitness, then the chances of you getting successful with this will be harder, okay? So what you could do is you could as well focus on romance, because for example, in romance, as you can see what has happened with the pandemic and so on, there's a lot of people that are lonely and they're looking for the soulmate. So I'm gonna show you how you can promote offers doing this, okay? So once that you have created your video, anyways, you're going to publish, and then you could just download the video as an MP4, and then the video will start rendering, and then once that the video has rendered, it will actually appear on your downloads, and then you will go into YouTube, okay? Once that you go into YouTube, you will be able to create your video there as well. So you can just click on upload video, and then that way you will be able to upload your video, okay? So once that the video has rendered, it's very fast, like in few more seconds, you have it fully downloaded. So you have created your video. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to come to our website, which is ClickBank. Is one of my affiliate favorite networks, because this website allows you to sell so many different products, as you can see, in so many different categories here. It could be health and fitness, it could be parenting, families, or a self-help, like for example, like dating guides, like I've told you before, where it will be a good niche, or any other niches, okay? But I want to concentrate on 2 niches, because I want you to experience and see different ways of how you can get money, okay? So once that you, for example, click on health and fitness, you're gonna see the products that will show up. So let me actually do the login again. So I'll need to do a login. This account is just for demonstration purposes, and then here you can click by the rank, or you can search by the gravity. The gravity means like these products, the ones that appear with high gravity, that means that a lot of people are selling them. It means that the competition is higher, but then it also means that the product is converting, so it might be worthwhile for you to check it out. So you can go through the different products, and as you can see here, the average conversion is $150, $116, and then if you're gonna check on the offer, it's as simple as just opening a new tab, and you can actually see how the landing page will look like, and that means that when people go to his website, they will be able to see all these things. And other things that I like to look for personally is like the offers that you promote. If you click here, that means that the blue tick here, it means like it's recurring, okay? So recurring billing, which means that you're gonna be getting paid monthly as long as the people stay sign up with this subscription, okay? So I'm giving you a few ideas. Once that you actually want to promote, let's say, this specific product, the only thing you will need to do, you will need to add the name of this is just to keep the tracking, so you can say what's the name. It was XCPO, so you can put XCPO, so we know what type of where our links are coming from. And then as simple as you get this link, you copy this link, and once that someone clicks on that link and make a purchase, then you're gonna get paid, okay? So then, for example, it will be as simple as, for example, you come to the channel, and then if we go into downloads, then let's see if my video has already rendered, and if it hasn't, let me actually double check. Let me double check if the render is completed. Go to video, and then let's see, because then we'll be able to download your video. Once that you download your video, you'll go into your files. So then you just select the video, for example, and then once that you select the video, any video, the video that you have downloaded, you have put it here, and then you can just put how to make money, how to lose weight fast, for example. If you're doing about lose weight in 6 weeks. And then the most important thing, you will actually come to the description here. You can elaborate more on your title if you wish, and then on your description, that's where you will get your link, okay? So the link that you promote from here, that as we generated the hop link, this link, that's the one that we're gonna add in on the description. So when actually someone clicks on it, then you're gonna get paid. As I said, this channel is just for demonstration purposes. I'm showing you, so you need to add the right video, you need to add the right content, the right tags, and so on, and then you can start actually making money when someone clicks on it. Okay, and you might be saying, okay, this sounds good, but how am I actually gonna get the traffic? So let me show you 3 different ways to get the traffic, because at first you won't be appearing on the search engine. Okay, so you need to make sure that you upload a lot of videos regarding this with your affiliate link, so giving the option of people to buy. And as well, another thing, once that you get your hop link, for example, here we go a hop link over here. That's the link where people, when click on it, they're gonna get paid. You can go to a website which is called tinyurl, and this way you can make the tiny URL, so make your link smaller and more appealing for someone to click. Because if someone click on this link, they're gonna think it's a scam, you know, because it's very long link. So for example, you will get your link here, and then you will go into a YouTube channel, and then you will add something on the description. Here you can find out, discover the best way. Discover the system or a strategy that is helping hundreds of people on losing weight regularly, something like this. So if you go into the relationship niche, like for example, let's have a look at what we have on the marketplace. Let's go into a marketplace and see. For the relationship niche, you could say something along the lines of have you been, for example, let's do it together. So we're going to self-help, want to click on here, and then want to rank by gravity, because we want to make sure which ones are the ones that are selling the most. So for example, Secret Obsession, you're gonna get $58 for every conversion, and the good thing as well is reoccurring. So if you click on here, you're gonna get to the landing page, and then the landing page, when someone actually go through the video, they will be able to, you know, to actually buy the product. They can click on the skip on the presentation, and then here they're gonna be able to go all the way down and make a purchase on this product. And as you can see, for the gravity, is actually selling. So for instance, it's something that will give you a good chance for you making money. Okay, once that you get that, you could say here, like, discover the good way to find your new partner and so on, and then you will put the link here. So very straightforward, a strategy where you can start making thousands of dollars per month. Okay, the only thing, you need to be consistent. You have to make sure you keep uploading videos, because this software, the one I showed you, will do everything for you. So to create these videos, how long it's gonna take you? Like 15 minutes per video. So if you can have like hundreds of videos, that's gonna increase the chances of you making money. So where you gonna get your traffic from? From one of the sites that you can get the traffic from is from Quora. Okay, so if you come to Quora, for example, and then you click on search how to lose weight, here you're gonna see different forums where people are putting different comments. So you want to make sure that you're not spamming people, but you answering different questions eloquently, so people think, oh, this is a good answer, and then you can refer them to your YouTube channel. I would highly say don't refer them directly to your link. You want to send them to your YouTube channel first, because otherwise Quora won't like this. Okay, Quora will think that you are actually spamming people. But if you say, look, I've got a YouTube channel where you can find more useful information about this, then you can send them to your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're looking for romance, you can say how to find your partner, and then let's see what comes up. Okay, and then you can see that different topics are coming up, and then so once that you will go into different topics, and you're gonna try to give good answers and refer them to your YouTube channel, so you can get the traffic there. So imagine when someone gets to your YouTube channel and you've got hundreds of videos there. First of all, if they watch your videos, and once that you're monetized, you're gonna be getting paid by the ads, which is actually really good. And as well, if they click on each link, then once that they make a purchase through a link, you're gonna get paid. So actually, you know, in 2 ways you can start getting money, you know, on the monthly basis, and like other people have done it, you can start making thousands of dollars per day. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy that I wanted to share with you. Very simple. You create your videos here, you decide what niche, then you get your offer and you get to your YouTube channel. I can guarantee you, if you do one video, then it's very difficult for it to happen, because there are millions of videos posted on YouTube. But if you are able to build like a channel in 2-3 months with 200 videos, I can guarantee you will be able to make money with it. And there has never been an easy way to create software like this, create videos where you don't have to show your face, okay? And you can get your traffic from Quora as well. You could go into Instagram and create your own page and start uploading content there, okay? So this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you like it. If there is anything else that you would like to learn, leave it on the comments below, and as well click on the first link into the description, because I'm gonna send you some free training to your email address where you can start getting high ticket affiliate commissions and start making thousands of dollars per month. So as I said, this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I hope that you become very successful from today. So take care, guys.